Welcome to Banani's garden. In this video, we are going to show the perfect process to grow spinach at your home. It is a very easy process and takes only about a month to get spinach leaves from their seeds. At the end of the video, we are going to tell about the perfect fertilizer for spinach. So, must watch till the end.
First, we will prepare the soil mixture for sowing the seeds of spinach. It contains 50% ordinary garden soil, 25% cow dung compost, and 25% sand. You should use red sand, not the white one. This makes the soil well drained. That is, the soil will not hold extra water. This is very essential, otherwise the roots of the spinach will rot. Mix the soil mixture properly. To sow the seeds, we will use this cement container. As you can see, we have made 4 holes at the bottom. As we said earlier, the whole system should be well drained. The extra water will easily pass through these holes. We will cover the holes with pieces of bricks. Now, fill the container with the soil mixture. You have to do it carefully, so that the gravels are not disturbed from their places. Remove the larger pieces of soil from the top. The top part should contain fine grained soil. These are the seeds of spinach. They are soaked for 2 days. This will help the seeds to germinate faster. We are going to sow the seeds in the month of January. Make sure the seeds are evenly distributed all over the container. Now cover the seeds with thin layer of same soil mixture. This layer of soil will prevent the seeds from floating during watering. Now water the seed bed.
In 3 to 4 days, the seeds will start germinating. Six days after sowing the seeds. This is after 11 days. After 14 days. The seedlings are growing fast day by day. After 19 days. After 21 days. After 24 days. You can see the continuous growth of the plants. This is after 28 days. The baby spinach leaves are ready for harvesting. The leaves are very soft now.
In these 28 days, we did not add any types of fertilizers or insecticides. Just watered them whenever the soil became dry. Keep in mind that overwatering may hamper the growth of the plants. we will keep some of the plants for more growth. You can harvest the leaves whenever necessary. But if you keep them for longer time, then the stems and the leaves will lose their softness. So, as you can see, you can get the first harvesting within 1 month of sowing the seeds. This is after 64 days. The spinach plants are fully grown now. This is 70th day after sowing the seeds. Today we will harvest all of the plants because if we keep them for more days, then they will become hard and will not remain edible. If you want, you can harvest them all within 2 months. Now it's the time to talk about the fertilizer that you may need to use. If you find that the growth of your spinach plants have been stopped, then you may use chemical fertilizer named urea. It is a great source of nitrogen. Take 1 tablespoon of urea and dissolve it into 2 liters of water. Then apply the water just for a single day. This should restore the growth of your plants. Don't apply the fertilizer more than once. If you don't find any growth even after 2 to 3 days, then wait for more. If you apply the fertilizer more than once in 15 days or the amount of the fertilizer is higher, then all of your plants may die. Hope we were able to give you some information about growing of spinach. If you think this video is helpful, then share it and subscribe our channel for more of these types of videos.
You can leave your valuable feedback in the comment section below. This will help us to improve our works. Thanks for watching till the end.